Hello everyone, I am Ranumathi, volunteer at Shivi Forensics Science. Welcome to my presentation on Instrumentation and Analytical Technique in Forensic Science. In this presentation, we will discuss some important forensic instrumentation MCQs and their explanation. Let's begin. Let's start with the first question. In gas chromatography, which detector is highly sensitive to halogenated compounds and works by capturing thermal electrons? And the answer is electron capture detector ECD. The electron capture detector specifically utilizes beta emitting radioactive source to generate thermal electron, which are captured by electronegative functional groups. It includes. And we are moving to next question. Which analytical technique relies on measuring the vibrational and rotational transition of molecules to provide a non-destructive molecular fingerprint of drugs or fiber? And the answer is Fourier transform infrared spectroscopy. It observes infrared light which causes chemical bonds to stretch and bend. And the third question. In mass spectrometry, the term FAB stands for which type of ionization technique? And the answer is fast atom bombardment. In FAB, soft ionization is a technique where high energy beam of neutral atoms bombards in a solid sample which dissolved in a liquid matrix to produce ions. Fourth question. Which component of a high-performance liquid chromatography system is specifically responsible for maintaining a constant pulse-free flow of the mobile phase through the column? And the answer is reciprocating pump. The reciprocating pump, which is responsible for mobile phase through the stationary phase column at high pressure. Fifth question. What is the primary function of halo-cathode lamp in atomic absorption spectroscopy? And the answer is to act as a sharp line source of radiation specific to the element being analyzed. A halo-cathode lamp, which contains a cathode of an element, when it exits, it emits a light with a narrow wavelength and it matches exact absorption for the analysis. Moving to the sixth question. What is the principle of chromatography? And the answer is differentiation migration. These components separate due to different migration rates between the mobile phase and the station. Seventh question. Which analytical technique is mainly used for ink comparison? And the answer is TLC. In thin layer chromatography, it helps to separate dye components based on their ink. Eighth question. Which microscopic technique provides a 3D image of a specimen surface? And the answer is SIM. A scanning electron microscope gives a detailed 3D surface images of an evidence. Ninth question. Which light source is uniquely paired with an atomic absorption spectrophotometer? And the answer is halo-cathode lamp, because it emits exact sharp wave lines to the target which are analyzed, and it ensures the vaporized ground state atoms in an instrument which observes the light with the maximum efficiency and precision. Which law governs the core operational mechanism of gas-liquid chromatography? And the answer is Henry's law. It states that the solubility of a volatile solute in a liquid is proportional towards partial pressure in the gas phase. In GLC, this specific law directly dictates how the analyte partition between the liquid stationary phase and the gaseous mobile phase to achieve separation. Thank you and all the best for your exams.